In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Trello account. Before we start, a quick heads up. Trello runs on Atlassian accounts, so deleting your Trello account means deleting your Atlassian account as well. That affects your access to any other Atlassian products tied to the same login like Jira or Confluence. If you only want to leave a specific board or workspace, consider doing that instead. But if you're sure you want to proceed, here's how to do it safely. First, go to Trello.com and sign into your account. Use your usual login method, whether that's email and password or a single sign-on option. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your profile avatar. This opens a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Manage Account. This will take you out of Trello and into Atlassian's account management area, where your profile and privacy settings live. Give the page a moment to load. You should see your profile details and a navigation panel. Next, open Account Preferences. This is where Atlassian keeps the controls for account changes, including the option to remove your account. Inside Account Preferences, scroll down the page. You're looking for the section related to account deletion. It's usually near the bottom and clearly labeled so you don't miss it. When you find it, click Delete Account. Read the information on the screen carefully. Atlassian will outline what deletion means, what data is removed, and whether there's a short window to recover your account after you initiate deletion. You may be asked to confirm your identity or approve a confirmation email. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish. A few tips before you finalize things. If you have important boards or cards, export or capture what you need first, because deletion removes your access. If you're an admin or billing contact for a paid workspace, transfer ownership and settle any subscriptions to avoid disruption for your team. If your login is managed by an organization or you're part of an enterprise setup, your admin may control whether you can delete the account, so you might need their help. Once you confirm deletion, you'll be signed out and the process begins. Keep an eye on your email in case Atlassian sends any final notices or recovery options. And that's it. You've navigated from Trello to your Atlassian account settings, opened Account Preferences, scrolled down and selected Delete Account to complete the process.